Hello, today I'm making a crab soup. First, you need to clean the crab. I'm using a metal scrubber to clean. This will be easy to scrub off any dirty stuff from the crab. After the crabs are clean, you will need to cut them into pieces. I'm cutting this into 4 pieces. It is easier if you have a heavier knife such as mine. That way you can cut through the crabs.
Nếu mà stir fry thôi cho you want lấy giờ lên cặp kia nó xem.
Okay, I got all the crabs cut up. That was probably the most hardest part of preparing this crab. I'm cooking a lot of crabs, so I'm using a big pot here. There's about 10 to 12 cups of water. In here, I've dropped some galanga, a couple stalks of lemongrass, add about half a cup of crushed ginger, add about 2 tablespoons of salt, about half a cup of chicken bouillon or beef bouillon, add your crabs in there. After you add all the crabs into the big pot, cover with the lid and let it boil for 10-15 minutes. After 10-15 minutes of boiling, add in several pieces of kaffir lime leaves. I like to add some eggs into my soup so that I can, have some eggs in my liquid, like egg drop soup. Just dump it in there all over. You don't have to add the eggs if you don't want to. I just prefer eggs in my liquid. Give a couple minutes for the eggs to cook and your soup should be done. Turn off the stove and add green onions and cilantro. This is how I make my crab soup. Very simple and easy to make. The liquid should be very flavorful because the crab are very flavorful. So thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.